Hey, my YouTube goodies, sweeties, people. Hey. Yeah. Anyway, so I've made a few videos tonight. The last video that I'm going to make and talk to you guys about is Shea Radiance. This is the Nourishing Hair Repair Cream with shea butter. This was a 2-ounce sample that I received. I used most of it in one hit. It smells like peppermint and mentholatum mixed together, maybe. The smell alone should have told me, no, stop, don't, but I did anyway. Because I had heard so many good things about it, and it says it's hydrating, restorative, soft, embracing your hair for kinky and curly hair. There are no ingredients on here, so you guys would have to look that up yourselves. I know this line is sold in Target. It's really, really reasonable. However, you know, likey. I put this on my hair, and I wanted to use it as a leave-in, and it made my hair feel, what's the word for it? It was just weird, and as I would like run my fingers through it, it was like almost making my hair feel tangled, and a little bit crispy, I think is a good word for it, and it wasn't even dry yet, so I immediately washed my hair out. Did not even leave it in. It was in my hair for all of 15 minutes maybe. I would not buy this again, and because of my experience with this, I'm not gonna lie, I'm afraid to try anything else from the line. I know some people that swear by this stuff. I'm not really sure why, but you can talk to them about it. As far as me, in my personal opinion, it stinks, and it made my hair crispy. I mean, that's really all I got to say, because I don't have any ingredients to discuss with you guys. The price is really affordable, so if you're just hell-bent on trying it, it's not going to kill your pockets if you do, but I don't want to have to say I told you so. I probably should have looked into the ingredients to figure out what it could have possibly been, but it reminded me and smelled a lot of the olive oil milk deep condition that I had a nightmare with. So I should have ran. Maybe it's the mentholatum or whatever in a product that my hair does not agree with, but somehow I don't think so, because I use some shampoo that has some in it and I really like it, but that's neither here nor there. So this is what it is, in case you're wondering. It's the Shea Radiance, and it's a fail for me. An absolute, total, utter fail. I don't know. I really don't have anything else to say about it. I know these have been some really, really quick reviews, but unfortunately, I can't give you what I normally give you, which is the right after the wash, the application, and the play-by-play. I'm really anxious to get back to that point with you guys, because I definitely miss doing it. When I wash my hair and get my curls back, I'm going to get on some more things. I still have lots of reviews to do for you guys. Trust me, I do. And I'm going to try to be more consistent. That's why I did so many videos tonight. So if you see me looking like this like 4 times in a row, just know I did them all like boom, 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 boom. You feels me? All right. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, or product suggestions, or things you want me to try, or things that you have tried that you really love and you think that I should love, please just let me know. I will always enter you back. It's gonna be it. Y'all be good. See ya.